Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for January 22nd. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair first. This pair closed down on Friday, created an inside bar. Overall moving sideways. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 77.56, possibly as low as 76.66. Look for some resistance around 77.15 and look for some support around 76.75. Now the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed down on Friday. It did gap down at the open about 55 pips. Look for that to retrace. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 130.63, possibly as low as 127.46. Look for some resistance around 130.50 and look for some support around 128.05. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair surged to the upside on Friday. We had the full week to the upside. We are coming right in line with previous, or a trend line rather. Look for it to potentially go up and hit some resistance around 156.15, possibly moving down and hitting support around 154.05. Now the US Swiss, this pair closed up during this last session, did break during Friday. It closed higher, ran right into previous areas of support and pulled back. Did gap up 31 pips at the open. We are looking for that to retrace. Look for it to potentially go as high as 0.9473, possibly as low as 0.9250. Look for some resistance around 0.9400 and look for some support around 0.9315. Okay, now no real significant news announcements during this next session, so definitely keep an eye on Tuesdays. We did have an inside bar. Typically, you'd put a sell at the bar that created to help create the inside bar. Typically, put a buy at the high here and a sell at the low. However, we have been moving sideways for a good while. You can see we have kind of a, if you tag some prices here, we have an upper limit around the 77.25 mark and a lower limit around the 76.59 mark. What I'm looking for is a drop of this 76.90 since we closed down on Friday and tagged that high twice. We did gap down, already retraced it, so looking for it to break Friday's low. If it does that, looking for it to come down just a quick little scalp worth down to 76.75. So not a whole lot of pips there, just like I said, a quick scalp of roughly 15 pips is what I'm looking for, just as this comes on down. This pair has been moving within this range, you can see, for the past couple of weeks. So I do believe we will get down to that point. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.